We just heard back from one of our happy customers who gave us a glowing 5-star review, so we thought we'd share it with the world. We're happy to say this is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers all the time. When our customers give us glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide every customer with a first-class experience. We love hearing great feedback because it really is our goal to satisfy everyone who works with us. Now that's a total win-win situation. We value our customers, new and old. Whether you're brand new or you've been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to earn your business all over again. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.